do a piece of work, A can do a piece of work in n days, is 1 day work is 1 by n. A can do a piece of work in n days, total n days, then 1 day work is 1 by n. So this is the main basic formula. Based on this, we can try the problems. If 1 day work is 1 by n and the total number of days required is n. So we will go with the problems, it will be more clear. A and B, first problem, I am going with first problem. Capital A and B together, two persons, A and B, two persons together, they are doing a piece of work in 8 days. Together they are doing a piece of work in 8 days. If A alone can do the work in 12 days, then B alone can do the same work in how many days? A and B together, they are doing a piece of work in 8 days. If A alone can do it in 12 days, B alone should do it in how many days? Okay. So the first thing what we will do, A plus B together, okay, A plus B together, they are doing the work in 8 days. Okay. So A plus B together, in 1 day, how much of the work they can do? In 1 day, how much of the work they can do? 1 by 8 of the total work. 1 by 8 of the total work. This is together A and B. Okay. Now the next sentence, if you read in the question, if A alone can do it in 12 days. So A alone is taking 12 days to complete the full work. A alone is taking 12 days to complete the full work. So A's work in 1 day. A can do in 1 day how much work can be completed by A alone. It is 1 by 12th of the full work. 1 by 12th of the full work. This is the story of A. We have gone with A plus B together. Then we have gone with A alone. Okay, A alone in 1 day how much of the work is completed. Now in the question they are asking B alone. B alone how many days he can do the work. Okay, total work. B alone how many days he can do. Now this is the story of A plus B, first case. A alone, second case. Now if you see B in 1 day, B in 1 day, the work that can be completed is 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. If you make LCM, you can take 48 and this is 6 minus 4. Okay, 6 minus 4. This is 2 by 48 and it is 1 by 24th of the work. 1 by 24th of the work can be done by B alone. 1 by 24th of the full work can be done by B alone. So B, the full work can be done in 24 days. B alone can do the work, the complete work. B alone can do the complete work in reciprocal of this 1 by 24, reciprocal of this is 24 days. What is that is the logic we have used in the previous cases also. First we are taking A plus B together. First we are taking A plus B together. Okay, this is step 1 given in the question. This is the story of A alone, step 2. Now we are calculating B alone how many days will be taken. Okay, and it is 24 days. 24 days. Same logic we can apply for next problems also. Just we will try. A and B can do a piece of work in 4 days. A and B can do a piece of work in 4 days. I will start writing. A plus B together, they are taking 4 days to complete the full work. So A plus B in 1 day, they can complete 1 by 4th of the full work. 1 by 4th of the full work in 1 day they can complete. This is the story of A plus B together for first sentence. Now coming to the second sentence in the question, while C and D can do the same work. C and D can do the same work in 12 days. Now I am going to the story of C and D. Together the same work they are able to do it in 12 days. So C plus D in 1 day how much of the work they can complete? In 1 day it is 1 by 12th of the total work they can complete. This is the story of C plus B together. This is the story of C plus B together. Now, in how many days will A plus B plus D do it together? Okay, what I will do, A plus B plus C plus D, in 1 day how much work they can complete? In 1 day how much work they can complete? So So 1 by 4 is A plus B doing in one day. 1 by 12 C plus D is doing in one day. This is the out of the total work, this much amount can be completed if 4 of them join together. And if you make LCM, you can take 24. This is 6 plus 2, so 8 by 24, which is 1 by 3 of the full work. All the 4 can do it in one day. Okay, 1 by third of the full work they can complete. Now if you see the total number of days they need to complete the full work, in one day they are able to complete one third of the work. In one day they are able to complete one third of the work. So the total days required is 3 days. If they join together, in 3 days they can complete the full work, 3 days. Okay. Now I am going to next problem. I am going to next problem. A can do a work in 10 days. A can do a work in 10 days. Okay. A alone, he can do the total work in 10 days. So in one day, he can complete 1 by 10th of the total work. 1 by 10th of the total work is the story of A. Now B alone can do the same work. If you read the question, B alone can do the same work in 20 days. So B alone, he can do the work in 20 days. So in one day, he can do 1 by 20th of the full work. 1 by 20 of the full work. This is the story of B. Now if you go ahead with the question, with the help of C, they finished the work in 4 days. With the help of C, they finished, means A plus B plus C. With the help of C, they are able to complete the total work in 4 days. They are able to complete the total work in 4 days. Okay. So A plus B plus C, in one day, how much work they can complete? In one day, they will be completing 1 by 4th of the complete work. 1 by 4th of the complete work. This is about A plus B plus C together. Okay. Now C alone, C can do the work in how many days? Working alone. C alone, he has to work. Okay, in how many days? He can complete the work. Okay. Now C alone is nothing but A plus B plus C, okay, together, minus whatever A can do in one day and whatever B can do in one day. Okay, C alone in one day, okay, it is total 1 by 4 if they work together, all the three work together, minus if A alone works, this is 1 by 10, B alone works, this is 1 by 20. This is the story of one day. We are calculating everything for one day. Okay, then we will go with the C alone total number of days taken, that we will check afterwards. Now, if you see, if you make LCM as 20, here it will be 5 minus, here it will be 2 plus 1. 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 20. 1 by 10th of the total work C alone can complete in one day. C alone can complete in one day. So now C alone total number of days required are 10 days. C alone total number of days required are 10 days. Okay. So the answer is option 2. Answer is option 2, 10 days.